I'ma head out then.
Big moves, I'm that dude. Bet I see you from the top, yeah, real soon. Looking down on the haters that I've been through. Told them I'll see you.
Alright guys, we're back in action. Y'all see we got the two sautays back in. So we're back. Y'all might know if y'all follow me online or whatnot. I had one go down, but they got me fixed up. And they did exactly what they said they would do. So, you know, that's good customer service in my book. You know, they got me back running up and, you know, running pretty good, and, you know, not a big bunch of, you know, going back and forth. They stood on what they said. I like a company like that. So definitely Sundown, you know, they did good service, so appreciate that. So definitely good product or whatnot. But now I'm running out of space. I don't know, y'all know, but I'm running out of but I'm running out of space, so I need to, I'll probably end up going to some smaller salt amps. So I'll probably put these up for sale. Like I said, the top one is a refurbished one from Sundown directly. The bottom one is like a month old. Of course, y'all know little to no play, because y'all know y'all don't really even get to hear the show playing, so y'all know the condition of this stuff. So like I say, extra condition. I got the bass knobs, manuals and everything with it. So it's my personal ones, and not, you know, if that's what it is for sale. So perfect condition or whatnot down there. So like I said, the refurbished one on top and a brand new one there. This one came directly from Sundown, the one on top. Both of them working perfect condition. Ran at 1 ohm each. I got 240 amp hours of lithium. So I need this space right here is what I'm trying to do. I gotta put, my battery bank is over on the other side on the floor. Let me go around. Yeah, let me move it that way. It's right here on the floor right here. I got one battery, I got a, what is it, 160 right here and an 80 in the back. But I want to get my space back right here on the floor. So I need to get some smaller amps to go right there. So so I'm gonna be putting these on the market and give me some smaller salt amps or something like that. So that's definitely what I'll be doing. I'm gonna go ahead and get the thing playing one time for y'all. I'm gonna cut out the vocals on the song. There we go. Everything works good, and I'm planning on maybe, I'm gonna say it's a good maybe, redoing this whole thing. It's been good 2 years with these same subs. I'm not gonna do away with them, nothing like that I know of. So I might get something different, some different kind of Sundowns or something. I'm not really for sure, but we're gonna reconstruct this whole deal, and I'm trying to free up some space. So it's gonna be a bunch of new things coming to the channel, hopefully here pretty soon. Y'all know, definitely subscribe. And y'all might see some changes going on here pretty soon. I kept this for 2 years. I might keep it, I might just keep it like it is. I'm not really for sure. Like I say, go with some smaller amps. Even, you know, if I don't get rid of them or something, or I might just put them up and just put some smaller amps either way. But be sure to like, subscribe. They ran at 1 ohm each sub. They do pretty good. So be sure to like, subscribe. See y'all back on next time.
right equipment ain't gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop Basswithkev.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.